Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED bay lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the LVSDAK UFO LED high bay lights, a solid choice for those who need high-powered lighting for large areas like workshops, factories, or gyms. With a 200-watt output and an impressive 30,000 lumens brightness, this model is designed to replace 800W HPS fixtures while consuming far less energy. The aviation-grade aluminum construction ensures superior heat dissipation, extending the light's lifespan significantly. One standout feature here is its IP65 rating, which makes it resistant to water and dust, perfect for harsh environments. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the plug-and-play design. Just hang it up and plug it in. No extra tools required. However, the larger size and weight of this product may require sturdier mounting solutions, especially if used in areas with high ceilings. While priced slightly higher than some competitors, the LVSDAK LED high bay lights deliver exceptional brightness and durability, making them ideal for demanding industrial and commercial applications. The 6-pack format is also convenient for evenly illuminating expansive spaces. If you're looking for long-term reliability and high-quality performance, these lights are worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the ShineWoo LED High Bay Light 150 Watt. This 2-pack bundle delivers 21,000 lumens per fixture, offering excellent brightness for garages, workshops, or warehouses. With a light efficiency of 140 lumens per watt, it matches the illumination of a 600-watt HID fixture, while slashing energy costs by up to 80%. The 5000K daylight color temperature provides a natural and comfortable lighting experience, making it easy on the eyes. The build quality is another highlight of this product. The die-cast aluminum housing features a hollow design for optimal heat dissipation, ensuring a long lifespan of over 50,000 hours. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included 5-foot cable, standard plug, and safety rope for extra protection. However, the lack of dimming functionality may limit its flexibility for some users. Priced affordably, the ShineWoo LED high bay lights offer fantastic value for small businesses or DIY enthusiasts looking for reliable lighting solutions. While it may not have the premium build or advanced features of higher-end models, it delivers solid performance and durability for the price. At number 3, we have the UFVEN 4-pack LED high bay lights, a great mid-range option for those seeking high brightness and energy efficiency. Each 200-watt fixture outputs a remarkable 30,000 lumens, making them suitable for large areas like factories, barns, or supermarkets. The use of 240 SMD 3030 LED chips ensures premium brightness while reducing energy consumption by up to 80%. The 5000K color temperature mimics natural daylight, creating a comfortable and productive environment. The design features a die-cast aluminum housing with a hollow structure for excellent heat dissipation, extending the product's lifespan to over 50,000 hours. Installation is quick and easy with the included 5-foot cable, US plug, safety rope, and hook. One downside is that these lights are a bit heavier, so proper ceiling mounts are essential. Priced competitively, the UFVEN LED high bay lights strike a balance between affordability and performance. Ideal for commercial and industrial applications, they're a reliable choice for anyone needing robust lighting without breaking the bank. Our runner-up is the Flakekeeper LED high bay light 150 watt, which stands out as the most budget-friendly option on the list at just $62.99 for a 2-pack. Despite its low cost, it delivers a solid performance with 22,500 lumens per fixture and an efficiency of 150 lumens per watt. Equivalent to a 600-watt HID light, these fixtures can cut your energy bills by up to 80%, making them ideal for garages, workshops, or smaller industrial spaces. The design features die-cast aluminum housing for effective heat dissipation, and the IP65 waterproof rating ensures durability in both wet and dry environments. Installation is hassle-free with a 5-foot power cord, UL-certified plug, and built-in hooks. However, the lack of advanced features like dimming or app control may be a limitation for some users. Overall, the Flakekeeper LED high bay lights are a steal for those on a tight budget. Perfect for DIY projects or smaller commercial setups, they offer great value without compromising on essential performance. Taking the #1 spot is the Suno 10-pack UFO LED high bay light, the premium option designed for large-scale commercial and industrial applications. Each fixture delivers 19,500 lumens at 150 watt, providing bright and consistent lighting across expansive areas like warehouses, gymnasiums, and manufacturing facilities. The IP65 waterproof and shatter-resistant aluminum housing ensures durability, even in harsh conditions. What sets Suno apart is its versatility in installation methods. You can choose from hook mount, ceiling mount, or pole mount, making it adaptable to various setups. The 7-year warranty adds peace of mind, and the UL and DLC certifications highlight its safety and energy efficiency. While the $299.99 price tag may be steep, you're getting 10 high-quality fixtures with advanced features. If you're looking for top-tier performance and reliability for large-scale projects, the Suno LED high bay lights are unmatched. With their industry-leading coverage and durability, they're a worthy investment for businesses that demand the best. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.